If your home central air conditioning thermostat is blinking low battery warning, or maybe the screen goes blank to the point that you can barely see the numbers on it, or maybe even your air conditioning fan is blowing air but it's not cooling nor heating as it's supposed to, then you definitely need to change the batteries. Sometimes you can find the obvious battery door somewhere on the side. You open it, replace the batteries and close it, but this Honeywell model does not have it, so the faceplate needs to come off. And today I'm gonna show you two different models and how it's done. If your thermostat looks exactly the same as this one, the faceplate comes straight out. But make sure you don't grab it too close to the wall. The backing plate stays attached to the wall, all you need is a front plate. And almost forgot, it's better to turn off your thermostat before you remove the faceplate, just in case not to confuse the system, as if there is a malfunction when you pull out the batteries. And with the switch in off position, grab the faceplate and kind of wiggle it straight out. This unit takes two regular AA batteries, which you can find anywhere. Pull them out and replace with new ones. Lock them in and you're done. Now align the faceplate and it should go in fairly easy. And if it's not, don't force it, don't want to break anything. Realign and try again. Now switch it on and wait a minute for a new cycle to begin. And here's another Honeywell model, and the faceplate on this unit comes off a little bit differently. But first I'm gonna switch it off, just in case. On this faceplate there are two hinges on the top, so pulling it straight out is not gonna work here. So you need to grab it from the bottom and the top and pull the bottom part out and up at the same time, just like so. Give it some muscle, and of course you can use both hands. And there it goes. Replace the batteries and put the cover back on. But you have to make sure that the top hinges align perfectly first, otherwise you will not be able to close it, just like I'm having trouble here. So realign again, verify that the top hinges are connected by pulling on the cover just a little bit, and if they feel secured, close it straight down and it should go in easily. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please share it with your friends, subscribe and also hit the like button. Thanks!